Hi, this is Julie Wurzer from Patchabilities. I'm the creative energy behind Patchabilities, and here I am. Uh, you're looking at buying this pattern, or you're at least looking at this pattern. You're interested in this pattern. This pattern is for making really like some of the cutest, slickest, easiest wooden Christmas ornaments, holiday ornaments that this quilting world has ever laid eyes upon. The reason for this video today is because while I know these were really fun and simple, easy ornaments to make, my trusty assistant Sabra said they looked hard. And so I thought, if Sabra thinks they look hard, then some of you might think they look hard. And you know what? They're not hard. They're actually well, I wouldn't be making this video if they were hard. I just want to remove any doubt from your holiday-infused mind that these are easy and you can do it, your kids can do it, your grandkids can do it. And so this video is just to help take any doubt out of your mind that these are, yeah, so you can do it. But just keep watching, trust me. Okay. So first things first. So we're going to make, so if you're on the fence and if you don't like buffalo check, you don't have to make these ornaments in buffalo check. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you here. So here's the actual, one of the finished ornaments. Now my friend Sabra thought she thought it looked so cute but so hard because she thought that I had fussy cut out this bear shape, like, and then put him onto the fabric. And I said, oh, no, no, no. This is 10 times easier than that. So let's show you here. So what you want to do is you want to pick out any fun holiday focus fabric that catches your eye, but it's got to be, it's got to have shapes that are like large enough, but not too large to fit in this circle in the pattern. So like that new fabric, I can't remember who that one's by. Where's the salvage? Salvage is gone. Sorry, fabric companies. I can't remember if it's a Timeless Treasure, Holiday Glass, or Henry Glass, or Moda. But go look in your favorite quilt shop. You'll find it. So this is the fabric that I made those two buffalo check ornaments from. But I also didn't want to stop at that. I also loved, there's a beautiful cardinal fabric, or this one is timeless. There's this beautiful fabric with barns and trucks on it, or there's fabric with snowmen on it, or there's fabric with holiday campers on it, or for any of your quilting stitching buddies out there, there's also this fabric. This size print would work beautiful also to fussy cut out some of these. So you just got to choose a great focus fabric. And then up here, I'm going to give you a little peek at what they look like. So there's the fabric that I did with the truck. There is also the tree. Here's one that I did with the, out of that cute camper fabric. Here's one I did with the snowman, super cute, and look, the cardinals. Oh, isn't that too cute? Yeah, the cardinals. So it is real easy. You just got to pick a great fabric. Just pick a great fabric. Then you also want to pick a great background fabric. And hold still here. I'm going to give you a little video tip on how we fuse these to the wood. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how a live demonstration here in video on how you're going to fuse, you're going to get these cute focus fabrics onto your wood ornament. So I want to tell you every single pattern comes with this little white box in it, and inside that box are not one, but two ornaments. Sorry if this is out of focus. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. Okay, so we have the ornaments. These are wood ornaments. They're all wood. They've been whitewashed. They are not plastic. There's no plastic anywhere on these. I'm sick and tired of plastic. Okay, so I've got one of my cardinals all ready to go here. So on him, I hand stitched around the inside oval and then I hand stitched around the outside. As you can see, it's all stitched down and ready to go. Yeah, I'm not going to give you all the details in this video because otherwise you wouldn't be buying the pattern. But here we go. So I wanted to show you a little demonstration on how easy this is. So that's backed, the cardinal, the green fabric is backed with fusible web. Here we go. I just stuck the iron. I just set the iron down on top of that wood. The whole dang thing. I know, am I crazy or what? So you just set your iron down on there. I got it on my cotton setting, probably a little warm. And you hold it on there for a little bit, for probably the length of when your manufacturer says, and bada bing, bada boom. That is all done. Okay, so just a little recap. It is not hard. It is super easy. You can make, look, all of these super dang cute ornaments. You're going to impress the patooties out of yourself and everybody who gets one of these, and your family, because your Christmas tree is just going to look all crafty cute and they're all going to want one. And every single pattern comes with a set of ornaments in it. You just have to go find your fabric or dig in your stash or whatever you got to do. But I'm telling you, folks, you're going to have awesome ornaments. So click the buy button. You are not going to be sorry. And if you need more ornaments, we do have, there is an option here to buy an extra set of ornaments. Have fun. I hope you found this helpful. I hope your holiday season goes awesome. Click now. These are only going to be available for a limited time while our supplies last. Thank you so much for watching. Woohoo!